Are you tired of seeing your hairline creeping back every time you look in the mirror? Every day, you notice it. Your forehead looks bigger and your temples are thinning. And if you don't take action now, it is only going to get worse. A receding hairline doesn't just change how you look. It can shake your confidence, make you feel older than you are, and even affect how others see you. And the worst part is most guys think they can do nothing to stop it. You might believe that hair loss is genetic and that nothing can be done about it. That's a lie. Or maybe you've spent hundreds of dollars on shampoos, oils, and miracle cures, but you're still losing hair. And let's be real, not everyone can afford a $5,000 hair transplant. The truth is, most people are treating hair loss the wrong way, focusing only on the surface when the real solution is deeper. That's exactly why I created No More Receding Hairline, a step-by-step ebook that shows you how to stop hair loss, regrow your hair, and take back your confidence. First, you'll discover the real causes of a receding hairline. Most people don't even know why their hair is thinning. And no, it is not always genetic. I'll break it all down for you so you can understand what's really going on and how to fix it. Next, I'll share 3 practical solutions based on Norwood scale that actually work. And the best part is, these are not one-size-fits-all fixes. Your hair loss is unique, so you will get the solution that is designed just for you. Then, I'll show you real success stories. These people are just like you who took action and saw real results. They followed the same steps I'm sharing in this ebook and it worked for them. And no, I won't throw any fancy product names at you. This is about proven strategies, not pushing brands. Finally, you will learn how to spot the early signs of a receding hairline. This is not just for people who've been struggling for years, it is for anyone who wants to take action before it's too late. Because the sooner you catch it, the easier it is to fix. You don't have to just accept a receding hairline as your new normal. You don't have to keep wasting time and money on products that don't work. And you definitely don't have to keep feeling self-conscious every time you look in the mirror. This is your chance to take control, to feel confident again, to finally say goodbye to that receding hairline. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your copy of No More Receding Hairline. This is your first step towards thicker, healthier hair and a more confident you.